Would you try this barbecue pork? Come, let's do it together. I'm starting with 2 pounds of pork shoulder to be exact, and I soaked it in lime, salt, and vinegar water for about 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna make a marinade for the pork. I use 38% less soy sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then I went in with some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, turmeric, and some green seasoning. I also went in with a couple drops of red food coloring. And guys, you can skip the food coloring if you're against food coloring. Alright, now we're gonna pour the sauce over the pork. And guys, don't be afraid to taste the sauce before you add it to your food. Ensure you like the taste of the sauce before you add it. Don't be afraid to taste it. So you want to combine this thoroughly. Make sure so all pieces of pork get coated. And then we're gonna cover this. Okay. So I'll cover that and let that one do its thing. Next day, this is what we have. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next step. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So now I'm gonna add the pork shoe. I tell you, see, man. Alright, so I just lift out the pork. Let me start this, wrap this up, because I'm gonna file this so that this don't mess up too much when we're ready to wash it. So I'll be back. Cover it with one. Alright, so I have this. Alright, so preheat the oven 350 degrees. So we're gonna add the pork to the baking rack. Right. And we're gonna save the juice so that we can baste the pork later. And also, if we need to make some gravy, we can have the juice to make gravy. Right? And this is pork shoulder, guys. I'm using pork shoulder. Alright. Alright, we are sealing this properly. Make sure you seal it oven. Guys, I end up placing this in the oven for about an hour and a half because I was there doing other things. Alright guys, so for the remaining sauce, I'm gonna go with this Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna add some to it. Going in with a little sugar, a little vinegar, and just combine that. And this is what we're gonna use to brush the pork when we take it out. Right guys, taste it, see if you like it before you add it to your food. So after that 1.5 hours, I then went in and removed it from the oven. Let's see what I've done. So guys, if the pork was tightly covered, it's gonna produce a lot of water. So what I'm about to do is pour off this liquid off the pork, and I'm gonna pour it in a pot, set it aside just in case I need to make some gravy later. All right, so I'm gonna brush these with the sauce. just say I want skin and bone. So that's why I give it a big piece of bone. Once I'm finished brushing it with the sauce, I'm gonna go back and place it in the oven for roughly another 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna remove it again and I am going to continue the process. So what I'm gonna do now is lift these and let me turn this so I can show you what I do. I'm just gonna place everything in the sauce because I want everything to have the sauce, not just the top of the pork. So that's why I'm switching it up. I'm taking it out. Alright. So using a foil paper is optional. I'm using it because whenever the barbecue sauce stick on the pan, it is hard to come off. It's hard for wash. I have to soak it. And I don't have any time for that. So what I do now, I just file the pan so it makes my life easier after I'm done cooking. Alright, so we're gonna turn up the oven to about, let's say 430. Right, so at this point you're gonna place it in the oven and you're gonna watch it. As soon as you see the sauce stick to the pork, then you're gonna remove it. Mine took, I think, roughly like 10-15 minutes. And guys, if you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share it with someone. And I'll see you guys in another video. All right, and this is the final result for the barbecue pork.